I welcome all of you to the online course Corporate Tax Planning. I am Dr. Nagdeepa, having 20 years of experience specialized in accounting and taxation. I am here to introduce you the course Corporate Tax Planning. It is a specialization course offered by MOOC Swayam for the undergraduate students of commerce. Tax is imposed by the government on income generated by every individuals and businesses. It is an unavoidable fact of life that affects every person, company and organization. Tax payment has never been a pleasure for anyone because it reduces taxpayers' disposal income. Even though tax is a contribution to government, taxpayer tries to reduce the tax burden by availing various deductions, exemptions and rebate. Taxpayers get stressed up during the month of February and March, struggling to reduce their tax liability. It is because they are not prepared with a proper plan and kept on postponing it for the last moment. It is a mandatory that every company and person need to submit a well furnished return and accurate information to the tax department. Here comes the concept of tax planning. It is a tool used by assessee not only to reduce the tax but also to minimize litigation also. Corporate tax planning is an exercise undertaken by the corporate to ease tax burden and operate the business more smoothly and effectively. This requires a series of regulatory obligations that needs the tax experts' advice. Though through this course, students can learn the basics of corporate tax planning and the provisions related to tax planning. This will enable the students to learn how the corporate can minimize their tax liability within legal framework. You may have a doubt, why should I study this course? This course will provide you the basic concepts of tax planning, tax evasion, tax avoidance and tax management. Not only this, and also various tax planning approaches such as business reconstructions like merger and demerger, various managerial decisions make or buy, lease or own decision and employee remuneration and international transactions such as transfer pricing and so on. This is a 4-credit course divided into 5 units with 16 modules and can be completed in 13 weeks. This course delivery is supported by audio-video lectures by experts, e-content and case studies, self-assessment quiz and assignments, and self-learning topics with appropriate web links. After completion of this course, the learning performance of this course assessed through assignments, quiz, final examination. Assignment carries 25% of marks and the final exam carries 75% of the marks. At the end of this course, the learners will get a working knowledge regarding legitimate way of tax planning under different financial managerial decisions after taking the impact of direct tax laws into consideration. This course enhances the learners' tax knowledge and planning ability to become tax professionals. They can work at several levels such as tax accountants, tax analysts, tax advisors and tax consultants also. I welcome all of you to join with me to learn and explore the course which is very essential in the corporate world. Thank you.